Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how do you do an oil change on a Jeep Liberty? Now, it doesn't really matter about the model year. All that matters is if it's four-wheel drive or two-wheel drive, because if it's four-wheel drive, you're fucked. Let me explain. So, right here, you have the big ol', well, it's not really big, considering the shit that I usually fuck with. This is the differential right here. And way up in there, way the fuck up in there, sorry, I can't see. But, here, let's have a gander, shall we? Are you serious? There we go. So, way up in there is supposed to be the oil filter. I swear to God, today is one of them days. So the oil filter is located way the fuck up in there. That's an oil chute for it. But, long story short, come on. I can't even get the flashlight in there to show you. There it is. That's where the oil filter has to go. Now, how the fuck am I supposed to put it in there? Oh, it's a fun task, let me tell you. So that's fucking awesome. Now, you know what the great part about that is? It's 4x4, so that's a con. But if it's like that Liberty,